Greetings and welcome to Career Services. This resume tip slideshow is the first of many short videos Career Services will be offering on various career resources throughout the fall semester. So sit back and enjoy. Keep it simple. Keep your resume to one page. 1-inch margins recommended, no smaller than 0.5. Use 10 to 12 point font. Highlight experience and education in reverse chronological order within each category. Include keywords. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking Systems, the software used by 98% of Fortune 500 companies to collect, filter, and rank applicants. If you've ever applied for a job via online form, you've applied through ATS. Use keywords from job descriptions. Determine critical categories based on the position description. Place most critical categories first. Clearly label category titles such as bold or all caps. Avoid acronyms that are not commonly used in your field. Black fonts. Attach as Word document unless PDF is requested. Use power words. Hiring managers love to see results. If you've met or achieved your target as a sales manager, make sure you highlight those accomplishments using amounts or percentages that demonstrate how you achieve them. Increase sales by 30% by implementing a new software system. Collaborated with 5 teachers to implement a new discipline policy, resulting in 20% fewer classroom disruptions. Use 2 to 3 bullet statements per experience. Describe accomplishments when possible rather than listing duties. Use action verbs such as formulate or developed and eliminate the pronoun I. Do not use full sentences. Avoid introductory phrases such as my duties included. Use keywords and technical jargon specific to your field of interest. Use correct verb tense, present tense for current, and past tense for previous experience. Tailor your resume to the job you are applying for. Some recruiters receive up to 250 resumes on an average in response to an open position. Tailor your resume to every job description, and you need to know how to use the right resume keywords. Your accomplishment statement should reflect the skills listed in the position description. Hiring managers take roughly 7 seconds scanning each resume. Using keywords found in the position description will increase your odds of getting into the interview pile and out of the rejection pile. Consider meeting with a career counselor for help. Writing a resume can be a daunting task because you need to make sure you include all the necessary information while keeping the document to a manageable size. Even if you've worked hard to write your resume and think it doesn't need improvement, it's helpful to have it reviewed by an objective, experienced professional. Thanks for watching. Visit the Career Services website for additional resources such as our resume and cover letter guide and more. Keep checking back for more career resource video clips like this. Have a great semester.